How to fix Riot Valorant not opening or not launching problem. Now first, before doing these troubleshooting steps, make sure that your Valorant is currently not running on your PC. To do so, go to your taskbar, right click and go to Task Manager. From here, all you have to do is end task on your Riot game or Valorant that is currently running. Once you've done that, go to Details and then look for your Valorant that is currently running. Just for example, this one, right click on it and then end process tree. Okay, so first troubleshooting steps is go to your Windows icon, type in services. From here, you have to look for VGC. Just simply press V on your keyboard to make it to find it faster. Now I haven't installed VGC on my system yet. That if you find one, just right click on that and then click properties. Now make sure that your startup type is set as automatic, and then if you're here that is current that the status is currently stopped, just click on start. Then once done that is done, if the status right now is currently running, just click on stop and then start again. So third troubleshooting step is go to your Windows icon, type in system configuration. From here, go to services and tick this option right here that says hide all Microsoft services and look for VGC again. Please do make sure that VGC is currently detected or checked. Just click on apply and then OK. Now next thing is go back to your Windows icon and type in device manager. From here, go to display adapters, and if you have currently NVIDIA graphics that is currently installed to your PC, just simply right click on it and click update driver. Right, so those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix Riot Valorant not launching or not opening.